And his car was where? How to use them the separation. And his car was where? That's already is an essential words in language. Those words are used as an action and as verb in different situations. So let's see first. And is used as an action in present continuous tense active voice. Second, present tense in passive voice. Also, present continuous tense in passive voice. That's the usage of the am as an action. There's no any other usage as an action. The same am is used as a verb only in pure present tense. Yes. Then about is also is functioning like am for our persons. This is used as an action in present continuous tense in active voice, in present tense in passive voice, in present continuous tense in passive voice. Do you want examples? Yeah, she is skipping that. He is singing that. Present continuous tense. He was. But he is embarrassed. She is appreciated. This present passive voice. Yeah, it's being done. It is being done. Present continuous tense passive voice. Those are the examples. So verb is used as a verb in pure present tense. It is there. She is my sister. This is my brother. This is with stuff. Is used for that as a verb. Pure present tense. That is present verb. Sentences. The same thing occurs on, but I didn't give examples, right? I am learning or I am teaching. This is continuous tense in active voice. In passive voice, simple present tense. I am appointed. I am invited. Simple present tense, passive voice. I am actually. I am being appreciated. So I am being decorated and being beautified. Present continuous tense in passive voice. Banana is used as a verb. I am well. I am here. I am Mahendran. I am not well. I am well. Sometimes I am tough. Exam is used as a verb. Same thing occurs for are, yeah, and it's are, was, that. Those are the verbs we began with. Are is used as an action. The same things. Present continuous tense in active voice, simple present tense passive voice, and present continuous tense in passive voice. They are running a function. Present continuous tense passive active voice. Yeah. They are directed by their ending. They are directed by their ending. So present tense, passive tense. They are being advised by the cabinet. They are being advised by the cabinet. Present continuous tense, passive tense. Or this is the next. The same as are is used as a verb. They are not here nowadays. We are Indians. Those things are understood. Are is used as a verb. Pure present tense. And it's are. What's next? Was. Was is used as an action, past continuous tense, and ideas. It was helping me a lot. My computer was helping me a lot. It was functioning well. Past continuous tense. And simple past tense in past. It was erected. That was damaged. It was sent to the head office. It was sent to the head office. Simple past tense answer was special action. When it was being painted, my whole home was being painted at the time. Yeah, at the time of tsunami, my whole home was being painted. Past continuous tense in past. So, was useless and accident. Past continuous tense activities, the past tense passive, and past continuous tense in past. The saying was useless and word. Once upon a time it was here, but not now. I was in Singapore at the time of the marriage. Past is a word for the past tense. And it's our was so the verb WER. Same verb is used as an action. Past continuous tense in object. The verb following through when I witnessed. He was where my classmates were helping me when I was studying. Past continuous tense in activities. Simple past tense in passive voice. They were appreciated very much. The old buildings were demolished by were being demolished. Past continuous tense in passive voice. The old buildings were demolished. Simple past tense in passive voice. So that is useless action. The same verb is useless word. Those persons were in our team in the last expression. There's a new term, 2024. At the time of 2023, so they were in our team. Those things were on the shelf, so then I left my home. Those things were on the shelf. Where is useless the verb? Few posts. The salon is hard as the service she was used to Mr. And is or was. So the train actually separates limbs. Our actually symbols are the two that did. We have as those tendencies from the is my memory.